na tugacokereria o ringi riria Timothy Mutwiri wa ukuru wa miaka 21 augire ni akurugama giturwa kia MCA wa wodi ya Kegoi Antuboshiu igembe ya muhuro nyina mumuciari amwirire atigane na riciria riri amukwao matiari nonake na utati ni wa icoka cia aria mari na besha no Mutwiri no uria ukoretwo akiruta wira kana mawira mamoko akiregana na kana kirega gukua ngoro ni anyitirwo guoko ni andu awendi mwega itura-ini riri na mucagura gituro-ini kia MCA wa wodi ino Karo Kinyugo Mwaura na ripoti ino
Itura-ini ria Kegoi Antuboshiu turetwo ni ngumo ya mwanake wa ukuru wa miaka 21 uria uthuritwo ta MCA wa wodi ino iria ri gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Igembe ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Meru.
Kutengeneza itakuwa tu ni kazi rahisi sana kwangu.
Thutha wa kwaga mbeca cia gutwarithia githomo na mbere arikia kirathi gia form 4 Timothy Mutwiri uria hindi ya kambeini uroikaine ta Kabako aingirire wira-ini wa miako na thutha ucio agithie cukuru-ini wa muthingi uria athomagira na kuhoya mweke wa guthomithia arutwo mathabu na physics irio ta njira ya gutungania umithio wa o muthenya.
Timothy alikuwa mtu chap kwa mjengo, kijana mwenye bidii na Mungu akambariki. Sasa yeye ndiye kiongozi wetu.
Kwa mjengo alikuwa kijana chafu. Sasa kuna wakati nilikuwa nawacha wakazi na mpea kibarua anasimamia hao wengine. Nikikuja jioni tunakuta amefanya mzuri, hakuna makosa kwa kazi.
No kioneki gia gugatwika mutongoria no kia mucinaga ngoro na riria rire mami wao ni arenda kurugama mami wao akimwira ateaniria riciria riu amwoteti urikagwo ni aria mari na besha cia gucaria kura.
Nasema mimi natoanga kazi ya kusuna sai kulea huyo mtoto na kazi ya kibarua tu 200. Nikamwambia hasa hiyo maneno kwa sababu hatuna pesa. Akaniambia mama, mimi nitaomba kura, wewe unipigie kura.
Ndio tu after kufanya kazi kwa mijengo for around 5 months nikiwa mtu wa mkono ndio niliamua kuingia kwa siasa, sababu nilikuwa tu nasema acha ningoje 2027 niombe kura nikiwa na pesa, lakini kulingana na vile maisha ilikauka nikaangalia nikaona wenda 2027 still nitakuwa sina kitu, so nikasema it is better to use the opportunity that has come, niombe kura tu mapema, mimi Mungu atanisaidia. Nilikuwa tu najiambia Mungu atanisaidia.
Mutwiri arauga kaingi arathiaga maguru aihwirwo ni mwihoko kunyitanira na atongoria aria angi gucaria kura. Atwarithia a nduthi-ini o marari muhari-ini wa mbere kumunyitirira rugendo-ini ruru o nginya aratoria aria angi maracindanaga nao giturwa-ini giki eri mari MCA a hau kabere wodi-ini ino.
Especially tulimsaidia maombi wakati tuko huko, alafu kuna komiti tulipanga tukaamua kuja kuketi hapa ili tumpe hata mawaidha, tumchangie pesa ya kutoa posters na watu walimfurahia tu.
Ali anasema hata kama kweli nasema nitaomba kura na nikiangalia zile shinda napitia bando na bando naitwa mheshimiwa, wakati mwingine unafika tu nasema ama niache na siasa nirudi tu kwa mjengo wangu, sababu raja hapo ndo nilikuwa napata kipato changu. So sometimes nilikuwa na strain sana pia kwa akili na kujiuliza maswali mingi kwa akili yangu, najisumbua tu.
Kunyihirwo ni besha ni umwe wa maundu maria maramuhinyagiriria no na gukire oguo atwikite kionereria giati undu murito no uri utari mwambiriria guku akiranira kurehe tabarira cio thii wa na mbere itura-ini riao. Mami wao uri urutaga wira wa Shefarua agikenerera uhotani uyu.
Nasema tu ni asante juu Mungu ameniwezesha kufaulu na and now I'm going to change the community. You know, I have been still doing the same work. So kushikilia na kutengeneza hii itakuwa tu ni kazi rahisi sana kwangu, njoo ni maneno nimekuwa nikifanya.
Mutwiri ni umwe wa atongoria aria anini kimiaka bururi-ini na aria maumite micii itehotete kuiyukia uhotani githurano-ini kinene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.
Sawa.
Minister wa githomo George Magoha ni arutite mukana kuri arutwo aria magikorwo na mubango kana reciria ria gucina thukuru akiuga gutiri thukuru ekohigo akiuga ona arutwo macina cukuru igeranio no igatabanio ihinda-ini riria ribangirwo. Mukana uyu ukite mathaa manini thutha wa indo cia muigana utoikaine kuheana mihango ya mathomo igatherera thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Kisumu thutha wa mwaki gututhuka nyumba-ini imwe ya gukomwo ni arutwo na gutamba na ihenya nginya irathi ithano. Kate Muthoni niwe na riboti ino.
Ng'aragu nene iria ikoretwo igumeire icigo cia Laisamis na North Horr kaunti-ini ya Marsabit hamwe na thogora
Thaigire na nuthu cia kiroko niguo mwaki uyu urerikana ututhukire nyumba-ini imwe ya gukomwo ni arutwo thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Kisumu. Kuringana na mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu Duncan Owiyo, mwaki uyu ugituthuka gutire murutwo uma nyumba-ini iyo amu othe ni maguthiite irathi-ini indi riria arutani mondire ndogo mihango ya kugeria kuhitana na mwaki uyu yambiriirie orio o hamwe na mihango ya kugeria kuhonokia indo imwe cia arutwo.
This happened at around 8:30 when all the boys had gone to class. The boys had taken breakfast and the teachers were in the compound. I happened to be around and I was called around 8:30 by one of the teachers in the compound who told me the fire is in the dome section. When I moved the dome section, I discovered that one of our dormitories was affected by the fire. So we called the fire brigade. By the time I was coming in, the fire brigade had been called.
The fire incident in Kisumu Boys is a very unfortunate incident. The school just opened the day for yesterday and we had the fire incident this morning.
Ni mwaki urerikana ugutambaga na njira ya naihenya undu uria ucungiriirie irathi ithano iria ikoragwo ihutanitie na nyumba iyo ihie no munyaka gutire murutwo ugurarire na mihango ya uthuthuria ni yambiriirio amu kihumo kia mwaki ucio gitire kiramenyekana.
I just want to assure parents that all the students who are in are not hurt and that
thank the students for keeping calm.
And I also want to thank the students for keeping calm and that the public should not have anxiety. Things are okay. The county, the sub-county discipline security committee is up to the game.
We are not in a position to say at the moment what is the cause of the fire. Investigations are on. We will be able to say at a later date what exactly caused the fire. But what we can say at the moment is that so far no casualty has been reported. And apart from the damages, the assessment of the damage is also going on.
Kumana na mwaki ucio, Minister wa githomo George Magoha akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Mombasa hindi ya mihango ya kuruguria irathi njeru cia mutaratara wa CBC ni arutite mukana kuri arutwo akiuga mutugoria kaingi weyumagiria tamu-ini ya keri wa arutwo gucina thukuru ona weyumiria mwaka uyu gutire thukuru egukorwo ikihingo na no mwaka arutwo maikarire igeranio uria gubangitwo.
If you think that by banning the school you will not do exams, you must not be wise because we'll do exams under the trees. That's how it's going to be. Because if you are mad, why don't you start by banning the house of your father? Are we together? And the parents will rebuild it. That's how it is. Pure and simple.
Magoha oritia ciari matare ciana ciao amu nio magukorwo na gibarua gia kuriha indo ciothe iguthukagio ni arutwo aria makugeria gucina thukuru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.